Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to space. In this video we will go towards Nibiru, exploring the enigma of an unknown and mysterious world. The idea of Nibiru is a popular topic in conspiracy theories and pseudoscience, but it lacks any credible scientific evidence or support from the astronomical community. Nibiru is often described as a mysterious planet or celestial object that is said to be on a collision course with Earth or to have some other significant impact on our planet. However, it's important to clarify that there is no real scientific basis for these claims. Here are a few key points to consider. 1. No scientific evidence. The concept of Nibiru, often shrouded in myth and conspiracy, has captivated the imaginations of many, but it remains firmly outside the realm of established science. Despite a plethora of claims and predictions regarding its existence and the potential cataclysmic effects it could have on Earth, there is an overwhelming absence of scientific evidence to substantiate such claims. Astronomers, who rigorously study the cosmos using cutting-edge telescopes and instruments, have not detected any celestial body fitting the description of Nibiru. The laws of orbital mechanics, which govern the movements of celestial bodies, are well understood and extensively tested. Any sizable object on a collision course with Earth would have been observed and its trajectory precisely calculated long before any potential impact. This makes the existence of Nibiru as described in various conspiracy theories highly implausible. Furthermore, historical references to Nibiru are often based on the interpretations of ancient texts, particularly the controversial works of Zecharia Sitchin. However, these interpretations have been met with widespread skepticism and criticism from experts in fields such as archaeology, anthropology, and astronomy. 2. Orbital mechanics. The fundamental principles of physics and orbital mechanics are among the most precisely tested and understood in the realm of science. These principles govern the motion of celestial bodies, including planets and other objects in our solar system. When applied to the hypothetical scenario of Nibiru, they highlight significant implausibilities. Firstly, the gravitational interactions between celestial bodies are predictable and calculable. Any massive object on a collision course with Earth, particularly one with an orbit that brings it close to our planet, would exert gravitational forces on nearby objects. Astronomers routinely observe the positions and motions of celestial bodies with remarkable accuracy. They can predict the paths of known objects and detect the influence of any unknown massive bodies. Moreover, the vast network of amateur astronomers worldwide would likely have detected such a massive and incoming object. Their observations contribute significantly to our understanding of the night sky. Any suggestion that a planet-sized object, such as Nibiru is often claimed to be, could remain unnoticed by both professional and amateur astronomers is highly improbable. Before continuing with the video, I remind you to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell, so you don't miss our videos on space. 3. Historical context. The association between Nibiru and ancient texts, notably the writings of Zecharia Sitchin, is a pivotal aspect of the Nibiru mythos. Sitchin's interpretations of ancient Mesopotamian texts, such as the Sumerian cuneiform tablets, have been influential in promoting the notion of Nibiru as a mysterious planet with connections to advanced extraterrestrial beings, the Anunnaki. However, these interpretations have faced substantial scrutiny and skepticism from experts across multiple disciplines. Archaeologists and linguists have questioned the accuracy of Sitchin's translations and his grasp of Sumerian and Akkadian languages. Many argue that his interpretations are flawed and that his understanding of these ancient languages does not align with established linguistic principles. This raises doubts about the existence of Nibiru as described in his works. Anthropologists have also critiqued Sitchin's ideas, highlighting the absence of corroborating evidence for the existence of ancient astronaut civilizations like the Anunnaki. Such theories often lack the cultural and archaeological support that would be expected if they were accurate representations of ancient civilizations. In the realm of astronomy, Sitchin's proposed characteristics and orbital mechanics of Nibiru have been widely discredited. Astronomers have not observed any celestial object matching the description of Nibiru, and its alleged impacts on Earth contradict well-established principles of orbital dynamics. 4. Hoaxes and false predictions. The history of Nibiru is littered with a trail of false predictions and hoaxes, perpetuating a cycle of fear and misinformation. Various self-proclaimed prophets, pseudoscientists, and conspiracy theorists have repeatedly predicted the imminent arrival of Nibiru, and each time, their forecasts have proven to be unfounded. These predictions typically involve doomsday scenarios, asserting that Nibiru's arrival will lead to catastrophic events such as massive earthquakes, tsunamis, and the end of the world. These claims have caused unnecessary anxiety and panic among some segments of the population. It's important to emphasize that these predictions are not rooted in any credible scientific evidence. The lack of scientific consensus on Nibiru's existence, combined with the absence of empirical observations, renders such prophecies baseless. Moreover, the dissemination of false Nibiru predictions highlights the negative impact of misinformation in the digital age. Social media, in particular, has played a significant role in amplifying these hoaxes, reaching a wide audience and stoking unwarranted fears. 5. Search for new planets. Astronomers are engaged in an ongoing and systematic search for new celestial objects within our solar system and search for new planets. Astronomers are engaged in an ongoing and systematic search for new celestial objects within our solar system and beyond, but these efforts are firmly grounded in rigorous scientific methods, evidence-based research, and international collaboration. This stands in stark contrast to the unfounded claims surrounding Nibiru. Exoplanet exploration. One of the most exciting frontiers in astronomy is the search for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. This quest has resulted in the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, utilizing techniques such as the transit method and radial velocity measurements. These discoveries are made through extensive observations and meticulous data analysis. Dwarf planets and Kuiper belt objects. Within our solar system, astronomers have been actively identifying and studying dwarf planets and objects in the Kuiper belt, a region beyond Neptune. Notable examples include Pluto and Eris. These findings have been the result of years of patient observation and scientific inquiry. We'd love to know what you think. Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We thank you for watching.